Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. October is always a highly anticipated month in the crypto world, with market sentiment increasingly positive following the Federal Reserve's interest rate cut. Many cryptos are showing great potential for new investors. Below are the 4 best cryptos that could be the right choice for beginners in October 2024. 1. Shiba Inu SHIB has been consolidating for the past 75 days.
Shiba
During
Inu,
this
one of the
period,
most
popular the SHIB price has been hovering around the which has been tested but never broken. Several technical indicators, such as the widening Bollinger Bands and the golden cross formation of the momentum oscillator, suggest that a major breakout could be imminent. If it manages to break, SHIB is also known to have a strong community and great support from whale investors. With increasing liquidity on the buyer side, SHIB is predicted to provide profits of up to 110% through the resistance level. This makes it an attractive choice for beginners who want to take advantage of the opportunity for price increases. 2. Pepe, potential 30% rally in Q4 2024. Pepe Coin has caught the attention of many investors, thanks to its positive performance in the memecoin space. After successfully flipping a key support level and experiencing a surge in trading volume, PEPE is showing signs of being ready to rally by 30%. The increasing activity of whale investors in the fourth quarter of this year, the potential for PEPE's price to increase, with more large transactions above $100,000, PEPE could be an attractive option for beginners who are ready to take bigger risks in the memecoin world. 3. Dogwifit rising with potential upside to $5. Dogwifit, one of the rising has attracted a lot of attention from whale investors. The current price of WIF is at $1.78 and shows a stable bullish trend. With increasing market activity and trading volume, WIF is predicted to reach $5 in the near future, especially if it continues to be supported by a strong market trend. Technical indicators such as Chake and money flow show increasing buying pressure, which is a strong signal that more funds are coming into WIF than leaving. For beginners looking to dive into memecoins with huge profit potential, Dogwifit could be a promising choice in October 2024. For Rex's Finance, RX's real asset tokenization for beginners. Rex's Finance is an innovative project focused on the tokenization of real assets such as commodities, art, and property. Through Rex's Finance, investors can own a portion of these assets with a smaller capital, making it an attractive solution for beginners who want to invest in the real world through crypto. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode and want more, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more heartwarming stories. Until next time, take care and stay inspired.